Ako na mango shake, tapos ito. Papakita natin kay Matmat kasi alam kong alam niya na yung pagkain niya. Matmat, I have something for you. This one. You like it? Do you like it? What's that? What's that? He knows it already. But wait, put bib first. So yan guys, excited siya. Excited si Matmat. Show to them how to eat. Show to them. Ah! His favorite is mango. Mango. Wow. Ganun guys. Nanggigigil pa yan. Kinakagat niya yan. Ayan o. Kinukuha niya talaga yung laman. Ah! Very good talaga yung baby ko na yan. Favorite niya yan eh. Papakita ko sa inyo yung before and after. Yan ha. Ayan, before. What's that? Why you became a dog? Why you became a dog? What's that? Oh my God.
We are both.
Look at yourself.
We are 3 dogs.
But Matt, you are a dog now. Arp, arp.
You.
Guys, yun ang itsura niya. Matt, look at yourself. Alam niya na talaga paano kumain na yung kinakagat niya talaga. Itsura ni Matt. Ang itsura mo naman ah. Because that is your favorite one. Kapag mango guys, nakakadalawang ganito siya.
What you said?
I said, if mango, he can eat 2 like this. Guys,
Oh my
tingnan nyo.
God. Oh my God. What
Almost
happened?
finish.
Oh my God, baby Matmat. What happened to your face?
Tingnan nyo yung tsura niya guys. My God! Matt, look at yourself. Look! Ang galing na niyan kumain. Marunong na mabuhay yan.
Tita Fel is not here. It's only in the face.
It's okay.
Very, very cute.
Basag natin. Hindi niya makain.
I'm done.
Okay, put it on the table. Tingnan nyo guys. Halos wala ng laman. Ah, diba? Ang galing. Ang galing ng baby ko. Palalagyan ko pa to. Mat. Show your face. Show your face. Round ni Matmat. Second round. Wow! Ay sus! Diretso agad sa bibig guys. Tingnan niyo siya. Ah! Ang takaw talaga ng anak ko. Very good talaga yan.
Baby, more.
Very good talaga. Ang galing.
More.
Ang dumis na ni Matmat. Matmat? Ay, sus! Very good naman yan. Very good naman yung baby ko na yan. Ay, sus! Look at yourself. Guys, tingnan nyo. Wala na, ubos na ulit. Ubos na ulit. Ang takaw niya, mabilisan lang. Eto na guys, yung second round niya. Wala nang laman. Ah, pati yung bib niya, kinakain na niya. Punas mo na yung mukha mo. Punas mo na.